Oh, hey. I didn't see you there. It's me, Slimeball McDingerbats, and I'm here to teach you how to swing the bat. So, I got my protective cage on, keeps me from biting myself, and also from getting hit by the ball. So, step number one, you gotta have your bat. I call her Lisa, or Julia. Really anything you want. It flips from day to day. Sometimes his name is Bat or Walter. Sometimes his name is Eggs. Doesn't matter what his name is, but it's gotta have a name at least one time a day. Second, hold on. You're gonna wanna hold the bat and do something like this, you know, kind of like that. That's what we got the cage for. See, if there were a ball here, let's pretend my fist is a ball. I went sailing right out of the boat. The third thing that you want to do, point the bat. That indicates the direction in which you want the ball or the object being thrown at you. That's where you want it to go. That's where you're indicating, hey, this ball is going that direction, or over there. You understand? Number four, give them a little change up. This makes it harder for you because this end is thinner, but you know, you point the bat and you're gonna think, oh no, there's no way. But then basically indestructible. And then you want to do this. This is number 5. Juggle it around your body. If you've ever seen a rifleman do this, it's kind of the same thing. That's not really all that impressive though. Who cares really? Number 6. Number 6. Play like a guitar for a moment. You know, go like that. Then they'll never see you coming. They'll think you're just jamming out. Just jamming out. And then they'll try to catch you off guard, and then boom. Right out of the container. 7. And this is the hardest one to do. Alright, so you're gonna wanna take a seat. You know? Just kinda sitting down. And then sit down. And then like that. Kind of one-handed, you know what I mean? But with the speed from kind of just whipping it around, that's gonna be enough to break your neighbor's heart. Not their windows. Don't break people's windows. Remember to play in a nice, safe, open area, like an airport. And that's the basics of